Welcome to this detailed guide on setting up Hotjar for your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect your website with Hotjar so that you can monitor user behavior and gather feedback efficiently. We begin by heading over to the Hotjar website. Once you are there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you will find the option to sign in. Select the sign in option to start the authentication process. After clicking sign in, you will be prompted with a choice to use your Google account. Opt for signing in with Google and then choose the account you wish to use. This step ensures a secure and streamlined way to access your Hotjar account using your existing Google credentials, reducing the hassle of remembering another password. Once signed in, you are now ready to move to the next part of the process, which is to select your website from within your Hotjar dashboard. To do this, look towards the top left corner of the dashboard where you will notice a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu to display the list of websites available in your account. From here, select the desired website you intend to work with by clicking on its profile from the list. With your website profile now open, you will see detailed instructions on how to connect your website to Hotjar. These instructions are designed to guide you step by step. As you review the on-screen guidance, make sure you take note of your site ID. This identification number is important because you might need it later during the setup process. Keeping it handy will ensure that you can quickly troubleshoot or reference it if any issues arise. Now that you have both the instructions and your site ID in view, you will see a clear prompt to copy the code provided by Hotjar. Simply click on the option to copy the code, which will automatically save the script to your clipboard. This code snippet is crucial because it connects your website with Hotjar's powerful tracking and feedback tools. The following step is to embed the copied code into the head section of every page on your website where you would like to monitor user interactions or collect feedback. This means accessing your website's theme files or using a plugin that allows you to add custom code to the head section. Inserting the code correctly will ensure that Hotjar loads on each page, giving you comprehensive insights into how visitors interact with your site. Once you have pasted the code into the head section of your pages, return to Hotjar and click on the option to verify the installation. This process checks that your code is present and correctly implemented on your website. A successful verification confirms that your site is now connected to Hotjar, and you can begin tracking user behavior right away. For those looking for alternate methods, there are additional easier ways to connect Hotjar to your website. Some users might find it simpler to install a dedicated plugin or package that automates the process, or alternatively, you might opt to seek assistance from a team member experienced with website integrations. This flexibility in setup methods makes it convenient for users with different technical backgrounds to benefit from Hotjar's tools. This concludes our step-by-step overview of setting up Hotjar on your WordPress website. Following these clear instructions will enable you to effectively track and understand your website's user engagement while gathering essential feedback to help improve your online presence. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced website insights and improved user experience.